The art of SEO for an e-commerce website. It's like trying to win a race where the track keeps changing. But fear not, with a sprinkle of strategy and a dash of diligence, you can boost your site's visibility and race ahead of the competition. Let's dive into the nitty-gritty, shall we? 1. Keywords, the foundation stone. First things first, keywords are your bread and butter. You've got to know what your potential customers are typing into that search bar. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or SEMrush to find the golden nuggets. Remember, it's not just about high volume. Relevance is key. And don't forget long-tail keywords. They're like hidden treasure waiting to be discovered. 2. Make your site a speed demon. Nobody likes waiting, especially online shoppers. A slow website is a surefire way to send visitors packing. Use tools like Google's PageSpeed Insights to check your site's speed. And follow their recommendations to make your site as fast as a cheetah on a caffeine buzz. 3. Mobile friendliness, non-negotiable. With more people browsing on their phones than ever, if your site isn't mobile friendly, you're basically telling half your audience to take a hike. Google's mobile friendly test can tell you if your site plays nice with mobile devices. If it doesn't, prioritizing this is a no-brainer. 4. Content, the king reigns supreme. Content the king, the ruler, the big cheese. High quality, engaging content that answers your audience's questions and solves their problems is what will set you apart. Blogs, product reviews, how-to guides. The sky's the limit, just make sure it's relevant and valuable. And sprinkle those keywords throughout like magic dust. 5. On-page SEO, dotting the I's and crossing the T's. On-page SEO is all about making sure the technical elements of your site are optimized. This includes title tags, meta descriptions, and headers. Each product page should have a unique title and description, packed with relevant keywords without going overboard. Think of it as making your site's resume as attractive as possible to the search engines. 6. Link building, it's all about connections. In the world of SEO, links are like a vote of confidence. The more high-quality sites that link to you, the better. You can earn these golden links by creating share-worthy content, collaborating with influencers, or guest posting on reputable sites in your niche. Remember, it's quality over quantity. 7. Analytics, keeping an eye on the prize. Last, but definitely not least, you can't improve what you don't measure. Tools like Google Analytics and Google Search Console are your best friends. They'll show you where you're rocking it and where there's room for improvement. Regularly checking your analytics is like having a map in this race. It'll help you stay on course. And there you have it, folks. SEO for an e-commerce website in a nutshell. It's a marathon, not a sprint, so strap in and enjoy the ride. Happy optimizing!